I took this picture about a month ago after setting the time on these watches to Windows time, which is synchronized to the atomic clock. From left to right, we have the DW5600E, my old F91W, and the SKMEI 1628. After 1 month, let's see the accuracy of each unit. This time, I'm using my tablet with an atomic clock app. Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Here is the Cashio G-Shock DW5600E, rated with an accuracy of 15 seconds per month. It shows about a 4-second lag behind the atomic clock, meaning under 1 minute per year. Next is the Cashio F91W, rated with an accuracy of 30 seconds per month. It shows only under a 1 second difference, meaning around 10 seconds per year. Very impressive. Lastly, we have the SKMEI 1628. I cannot find any information on the accuracy claim, but it shows a lag of 16 to 17 seconds, or more than 3 minutes per year. In my opinion, that's acceptable for casual use, but maybe not if you need a precise timekeeping machine. Keep in mind that this may not be the same with other units of the same model. There might be some component quality variation, and I'm lucky with my F91W, but not with the SKMEI. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.